mathematics dates back to ancient times and has a rich and diverse tradition. Some of the earliest known Chinese mathematical works include the Suwan Shushu, the Book of Numbers and Computation from the Han Dynasty, and the Jiyu Shang Suwan Shu, the 9 chapters on the mathematical art from the 1st century BCE. These works covered various mathematical concepts such as algorithms for finding solutions to mathematical problems, geometry, and mathematical methods for solving practical problems in commerce, engineering, and astronomy. Over the centuries, Chinese mathematicians made significant contribution to the field, including the development of the Pythagorean theorem, solutions to polynomial equations, the use of the decimal system, and the discovery of negative numbers and the concept of zero.
During the Tang and Song dynasties, 7th to 13th centuries, Chinese mathematics flourished and reached its peak. Mathematicians such as Li Hui, Zhu Chongzi, and Qin Jishao made notable contribution to the field and advanced mathematical knowledge in areas such as number theory, algebra, and geometry. Chinese mathematics had a significant influence on the development of mathematics in the Islamic world, and through the exchange of ideas and knowledge contributed to the eventual transfer of mathematical knowledge to Europe and the West.
Chinese ancient mathematics had its own line of development, had its own method of thinking, and even its own style of presentation. It is not only independent of, but quite different from the Western math as descendant of Greeks. Chinese math was defined by Greek Chinese in ancient times. It also had ships big enough to sail the world. The first true evidence of mathematical activity in China can be found in numeration of tortoise shells and oracle bones. These oracle numerical bones inscription contain tally and code symbols, which are based on the decimal system and they imply the positional value system. Early Chinese math had a great influence on other later civilizations in India, Japan, and Korea. Ancient Chinese made all computation in manipulating rods and counting boards. This was possible because these Chinese already possessed very remote times the most perfect value and decimal system. It allowed them to represent the integers by properly arranged rods in due position on the board.
Li Yue, he was a prominent mathematician during the Three Kingdoms period and made significant contributions to the field of mathematics, including the development of the concept of the Pythagorean theorem and application of mathematics to engineering and surveying. The second mathematician is Zhu Chongzi. He was a mathematician and astronomer who made important contributions to the field of mathematics, including the development of the approximation for pi and the solution of several mathematical problems. The third is Chen Jieshao. He was a prominent mathematician during the Song dynasty and made important contributions to the field of mathematics, including the development of the mathematical manual Shushu Jishuan, which became a standard textbook in China for several centuries. And last is Yang Hui. He was a mathematician and astronomer who made important contributions to the field of mathematics, including the development of magic squares and the discovery of Pascal's triangle.